Hi, my name na Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.
Yes, so abi we don carry last ni. At all, Naija e no dey carry last so. My people how una dey? How body? How every? I hope say una dey kajad. Yes, so na still Naija TV wey be ogbonge TV for we obodo. Na we still dey o, and we don come down. We don come sit down for Tatafo segment. Wey be say we go dey gist una headline totori, headline news. Every wey dey go, wey dey sup inside obodo Nigeria. My name still be Aunty Rebe of the Rere Ministry, and I no come here alone. I know as dey be na. Aunty Susu, abeg help us greet our people.
My people, my Naija people, na well done o, na good every. Hope say una sleep well, hope say una night go well, hope say every day okay. We could see wetin dey happen for obodo.
Good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀, ìnákwáná,
everything.
Ndewonu, bonjour, wherever una dey, wey we
una good every.
Una good every good. Na so we been get plenty newspaper wey be say dem come mark register. Sharp as e be say dem plenty, make we dey roll am, make we quick know wetin dem dey talk inside dem book for us today. And the first one wey be say we go touch light, and that one go be New Telegraph. New Telegraph, oya come o, come do present ma.
On top New Telegraph, they say northern elders, they don dey tell President Muhammadu Buhari say he go need to protect the herders them from eviction. Na the eviction wey they give them from southwest. Say Oga President need to make him protect the herders them o. Akeredolu come see, they even dey talk say they must expel foreigners dem wey be say then they commit some kind crime for inside their obodo. Even Lawan sef come see they support say make dem end open grazing o. Say even reps then they support the governor them. PDP come even they tell you say make dem prevail on Nigerian president to protect Nigerians.
And still on that New Telegraph, for the top, we see say our federal government they don't begin they sell all the assets wey be say all the property wey be say them forfeit. They don't begin they sell them. We see houses, we see sheep them, motor them, jewelry, every. Now they don't they sell now. For the down part, we go see say under Electoral Act amendment. They say now that one go. Na him go reduce violence, na him go reduce katakata. Na Senate na him dey talk this one. And then INEC sef, they don follow stakeholders talk o. They don talk say na make we do plenty polling units. Na him be the matter o.
The federal government don extend the NIN SIM linkage deadline. They don shift and go 6th of April. Then on top koro, they say no vaccination, no pilgrimage. Na presidential task force now they tell Nigerians that one. Say if you no collect vaccine, you go nowhere. Then still they say, hey, now Kyari now they talk this one. No, say Buhari never put mouth for NNPC operation. Say they ever put mouth for NNPC operation. Then this former Abiagovo Kalu come they tell the court say say make dem stop EFCC to dey try am o. Say make dem dey EFCC no dey put mouth for im matter. Say make dem stop EFCC to dey put mouth for their matter. Then on top our body, wetin dey do inside our body, dem say if you dey take aspirin regularly, say e dey reduce the risk of colon cancer. Colon cancer.
Na cancer wey be the colon part, the colon own. Yes, so na so we take see am on top New Telegraph. Then say regular intake of aspirin, e dey reduce that colon cancer death. Na so we take see am on top New Telegraph. Make we come run enter the Punch. Make we see wetin the Punch sef get to yarn us as e dey hot. The Punch, the main tori wey carry kaya for that the Punch talk say for NYSC headquarter katakata don burst everywhere, don scatter. Say camp as e be say one resident officer he don kpef on top this koro matter. They say he get this koro and then carry am go NCDC. He can't die outside the camp. Na NYSC dem talk am. even the spokesperson, the talk person for the NYSC talk say no infection, e no dey for the camp. Na inside page 2 na you go see all this matter wey be say e dey for here, and for up there we go see say by 2022 na 70 million Nigerians dem na im dem go don give this koro vaccine. Na Oga Fayemi na im bin talk this one. And IG, you don welcome Oga Buhari back from Katsina amidst all this handover palava. And World Bank, they don talk. They say Nigerians wey be say dem poor, dem go soon increase, so dem go increase by 15 million. Na im dem take talk that one.
On top for the main tori there, they say telecommunication company dem say they don collect 56.18 million NINs wey be national identity numbers. Say federal government don come make federal government they come fix April as deadline wey be April 6, and at page 21 you go flex that tori well.
So for down there we see say hey Oyo, Abuja, them 4 states they don witness a season for farm wey be say e dey very short. And Ogun State they don dey protest as e be say them custom and people wey dey smuggle things inside them the obodo dem clash, one person kpai. And Akeredolu don talk o, e say all this wahala for headmen dem, say foreign headmen dem dey inside am, say na dem dey dey kidnap people inside the forest reserve.
They say no be small thing, no. Say people use blood bath as e be say they kill 29 people. They can't even kidnap 40 people for inside Niger, Niger, Sokoto, and Kaduna. No be small thing, no. Then this MC Oluomo book in age don't come aside. Don't come to say the book when MC Oluomo write about in life, so say it not concern 2023 politics. You go flex that one for the Punch.
Okay, so now so we say see am on top the punch so make Nigerian Tribune self making show face, make it come mark register, make it come do presents ma. Nigerian Tribune on top that one we go see say them Sultan our former President Obasanjo, IBB, others they don't greet this Oga Oyinlola wey be reach 70 years. And federal government them they don't establish polytechnic inside Oyo State and then Plateau. Now for page 48 now you go read that one. For page 53 we don't see say $40 million worth of jewelry now in the seize from this our madam before the Eziane. Now in be say they won't sell everything. Now federal government won't do that one. And then NASU and then SANU. They don't share for federal government, or they don't para say wetin dem decide. They still stand gidigba. You know they change. If they not do wetin dem want, then go on strike. Oga Ngige sef come still dey get hope. He say small time in the hope say every then go sort am.
The main tori for Nigerian Tribune there is now when northern elders then they tell Fulani people then say make una come back to north if they don't pursue now from the south. Even Tofa sef come dey even talk say say the attack when they attack Fulani people say e no dey acceptable. Say like this say tension dey rise. Na Tofa na dey talk that one. Then Ibarakpa land farmers dem they don't talk say Fulani people they don't dey come back oh say like this fear don't start again, we don't dey fear again no. They say say Igangan youth them say they no work out on Makinde o, say na the farmers secretary na then they talk and say the youth they no work out on their govo Makinde. Then on top Igboho visit they say hey one person don't queff as the hoodlum then go destroy Fulani leader their house them and Kara markets for inside Ogun State community. Wow.
Yes, so now so we take see all those ones for Nigerian Tribune. Then said they even shook mouth on top this NIN SIM wey be say federal government they don't extend, they don't give us some days more, they don't add 8 weeks make people for link their numbers. And then put mouth self for page 55 on top the smugglers wey be say them be get wahala gbege with them custom inside them Ogun State where they injure 4 people. Apapa Port sef dem don connect am to Lagos Ibadan standard rail. Na NPA na dem dey talk this one. And for down for there we go see say Nigeria dem don mobilize over $95 million to take fight this COVID-19. And then by 2021, 80 million doses of COVID vaccine na im we dey expect. So Nigerian Tribune, we thank you, you try well. Blueprint oya show face sharp as e dey hot, make you sef come mark attendance.
So na katakata everywhere. Oh, they say Ikpefu boys, they don't kill 25 people. They don't kidnap 50 people for inside Niger community. Say 3 people sef, then kill them for Lere, then kill them for Beniguari sef. Say Nigeria don't even lose 30,000 for 12 years. Say 3 million. It just they displaced. That na survey we be say they do on top Blueprints. Then NEF come dey tell Nigerians say make una stop to dey eject, make una stop to dey pursue Fulani herders. Na then they talk that one. Then NSCDC they come say no attach ethnic and religious coloration to crime. Being say no dey look say na this tribe or this religion na im dey commit crime. Then El-Rufai come still talk say say this menace so say e must come to pass. If una wan know wetin that one mean, una go flex am for page 6 of Blueprints.
Still on that Blueprints, we go see say dem talk say Koro vaccine e dey very safe and e dey work well. Na dem PTF na im dey talk this one o. E dey assure people say this thing una no fear, e dey very safe. And we go see say Buhari area council, the chairman for Buhari area council, they don kidnap im papa. They don gbele the man, carry am go. Then share them. They don't spend $5 billion. They won't spend $5 billion on top energy transition for yearly initiative. And then CBN them, the LDR policy, say if they are join the increase for the bad loan, we be say banks them, then they get.
This before Abia Govo, wey im name be Kalu, EFCC they don't talk on top the 7.65 billion naira fraud. They say they want make them try and make them carry and go court for inside Lagos. Now EFCC they talk that one. Then PGF boss come still talk say say this Transparency International their CPI report so he don't talk he own put to say they political. Na so that one talk. Then multi-choice say why pay as you go model. Say why waiting go make am no go work for Nigeria. I know say many Nigerians they say they want pay as you go. Say see why it no go work. If you want know why pay as you go no go work, you go flex am on top Blueprints newspaper.
Now so we take see am on top Blueprint newspaper. So now everybody the mind may will calm down say Koro vaccine e dey very safe. You know they buy anybody. That one PTF suppose carry that megaphone, make them carry and go Kogi State. You know, say for Kogi, they no believe. They no even get testing center. They no they report any.
Nothing.
Now the reason why we say them talk say Kogi na
no go area.
So now when we say they say Koro the vaccine no dey very effective and safe. Make them carry the announcement go that state.
Some people no understand the influence where we say they get over.
Na the thing.
No bam.
Still make it for no loss. May we conquer Daily Sun, making self come talk wetin e get for us. Daily Sun, as e dey hot. Then say federal government they don issue drought alert inside 6 states them. Then say e been get crop failure for inside them Zamfara, Kwara, Sokoto, and them other 3 states them. They don't call advise farmers. Say make dem adopt conservation techniques so the way we say dem go take dey preserve dem crops make dem take am up. The main tori wey come carry headline for there come say tension over announcement of new IGP. Now one we never know as e dey go.
And page 8 now you go for flex that one.
And them northern elders they don rise up They don't say like we know they agree. They don't go meet Oga President Buhari say this thing wey southwest and southeast them they do herdsmen. They no understand again no. So they say people they attack herdsmen for south. Even Afenifere or Ohanaeze and the Middle Belt Forum say dem say no be say people dey attack dem.
El-Rufai dey talk say hey, banditry go end in matter of months. Say a few months now remain wey be say Ikpefu boys and their wahala katakata sef say e go end. Then subscribers, then people wey be say all of us now wey be say people wey dey use SIM card, they don loud federal government to on top the NIN SIM linkage then wey be say dem extend to April 6. Say federal government try wey dem take extend am. Then on top fuel and electricity tariff, federal government and labour they don resume the talk for February 22.
Yes, so na so we take see am on top Daily Sun sef. Oga Fayemi dem still talk this one o. E still dey talk about the koro vaccine wey be say by 2021 for Nigeria we go procure, we go get 80 million doses. That one sef e good. So make we waka o, make we enter this day as e dey go. This day make you come see wetin this day sef e bin get to yarn us. This day for the upper part for there we go see say everybody come dey relieved o, as e be say federal government they don extend that SIM linkage to April. That one na April 6. Everybody come calm down because the rush bin dey before. And NESG they don push forward o, they don dey call for reforms. They don dey say they want top policies to revamp our economy, to boost our economy.
Then the main story for this day be say despite the police their act single term, say IG if he extend in tenure, say if he get tenure extension, and the PSC they come dey fear say hey, say this service, say the elongation, say if he spoil the morale of the rank and file then for inside police force. So on top of say on top the police act say na single term na im dem dey serve. Say this IG tenure extension so say if it's weaken the morale of the rank and file for inside Nigeria police force. Then federal government they don put up the recover assets then for sale o. They don dey invite bids on top of those assets. They don put am for sale wey be say vehicles dey there, ship, land, personal effects and others, all of them na to go.
And we see the picture wey dey there wey dem see say Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki e go greet this our oga Delta State Governor Senator Ifeanyi Okowa sake of say he lose him papa. And then we see say Obi he don tackle presidency and he don insist say corruption e dey worse, e dey go higher and higher inside Nigeria. Now this day na him talk all this one. If you wan read the full tori, make una get una own copy as e dey go. Make we come see wetin the guidance sef e get to yarn inside all this matter wey dey for we obodo. Every of them go shook mouth. They
say northern elders they don ask Fulani headmen dem say make dem comot from the south. And so dem talk o. Then EFCC then they seek the transfer, how they go take transfer before Abia Govo to the trial to Lagos State. Then Uzodinma come talk say hey, Igbo they no fit be president by playing opposition. Say opposition no go favor them to be president. Then still on top this Niger matter, they say they don't kill 21 people, they don't kidnap 40 people for inside Niger State.
And the main story for the Guardian be say delay e dey cost federal government plenty money join on top the money wey dem suppose spend on top road project. Say as dem dey delay e dey add additional 679 billion. Na im be say wetin you wan do make you do am on time. Make we come go down, we see say new petrol rule in one forex parity between NNPC and marketer. In want paddy between the NNPC and the marketers them. Auntie Susu, any other tori dey for that the Guardian? They know they talk much. Every we don't yarn.
If you there, make them go flex am.
Na so it be o. Leadership, we dey call you. Oya come do present ma. May we see wetin you sef get to tell us as e dey hot, as e dey go. This one sef he shook mouth inside them NESG matter. He said them projects say Nigeria's early exit na im be from recession. And federal government dem they don warn farmers against early planting. As e be say crop failure dey happen here and there, so dem don dey warn them.
The main tori on top leadership, and on page 4 now you go for flex that one. Now northern elders they still dey tell elders say make una dey come back, return home. So they can't even they find how they go take get justice for Fulani communities. Then we be say they attacked for southwest. They can't they tell government then say make them provide accommodation for the elders. We be say them pursue come out for where they dey before. Then Naba with Utomi and the rest they can't they tell federal government say make them stop anarchy, make them adopt ranching.
Okay, another story where they talk say under constitution review. Senate, they don't reject voting rights for the underage girls wey be say dem marry. I no understand. Underage.
Underage. You already say the person. You don't already talk say the person dey underage.
You know say some people be dey fight say dem dey enough to marry. Why they no dey enough to vote?
I no go talk why dem dey enough to marry or not, but they don already dey underage, so.
So you no need.
So no need.
The matter they never reach 18.
The matter no reach talk. Dem dey underage.
You no need discussion.
But then go assure say they know.
And this one wey we say dem talk say if then they treat you bad, make you dey come out. It just made me remember wetin my people dey talk say the house your papa house, pikin papa house, you no dey fear am, make him enter. As e be say dem don talk say make you no dey here, make you no dey here. They come back
now. They say Yoruba people still they talk and say ti o dey bati le pada wale o. Me say where you go, the waka where you waka, the journey where be say you go do.
If you don't dey pursue you go know the way back to your house. You understand?
So it just be. If you don't know where you dey go, you go know where they come from.
But this matter na still small dem go sort am. May no come be like say from one part of Nigeria they still dey pursue other people.
So it just
so
be.
dem go take am kule.
You know say all this matter small, you dey pinch and for you don't turn another thing. So make them just use wisdom.
So may no be like say as I be from here, I no fit go live for another place.
Everything na diplomacy dem go take fix am.
Aunty Susu don talk ogbonge oyinbo. May you bring back the leadership may we still talk other names wey dey inside there. Diplomacy. Go fear oyinbo. Dem talk say inside Niger community 25 people they don kpai them and they don gbele 40 people. They don carry them go. And dem 90 million doses down sef. The governor dey talk this one. E go dey available. May we dey put our mind down. Nigerians they don't spend 1.2 trillion naira on importation of power generator. Generator as people they buy them, the money we don't spend, they don't reach 1.2 trillion naira. And Etsunukpe, he don't talk this one. He say we go honor those so where they attract development, then go honor them. And EFCC. They don't say they don't find out to transfer Oga Orji or Kalu, make them transfer am come Lagos. Aunty Susu.
This one they say na Ile Arugbo abi Ile Arugbo.
Ile Arugbo.
On top of the matter, the court they don't strike out Saraki case, they don't cancel and come out.
So if you now want read all the story wey be say we don yarn una the headline for leadership, may you na go check am, go read am. The full story e dey inside there. Daily Independent. Oh yeah, show face. Kia. Daily Independent. For on top there, them bring another matter. Na Nance na in dey warn them Sunday Igboho. They say this your strategy. If you cause katakata for southwest if you make southwest make catch fire, we no go see fire inside them.
Yes, so
then say hoodlums them. They don't kill inspector. They even come burn one police station inside Abia State.
Oh, the main story for Daily Independent na COVID-19 9 carry Mokoro. Hey. Kogi state government they threaten they don't ginger say then go sue PTF and then go sue NCDC. Then talk say they don't turn say PTF and NCDC say they don't turn koro to business. Now Kogi state government they talk that one, no be me. Then they say 400 billion naira for vaccine. It's too much. Who they talk that one? Na Peter Obi. Na in the gist that one. Say 400 billion naira for on top vaccine. Say it's too much.
And for the Koro vaccine by 2021, we will get them. And for the strike, they say federal government and varsity worker, them meeting is inconclusive. as the BBC say for Nigeria, anything wey dey inconclusive, you no get be that, e still dey hanging.
On top electoral act too, na Senate president dey talk this one o. Say the 2023 poll say e go witness reduce violence. Senate committee dey come still support the talk say underage married girls dem no go vote. Then this one now the one judge for Delta State he talk say DNA test wey im do, e don show say 3 of im children, 3 children wey im born, no be im get them. Wey im been born, no be im come born them.
Now that matter e no gel at all.
Paternity fraud, e full everywhere.
E no gel. The 3 children.
No be one.
No be 2.
No be by mistake. Na page that una go flex am on understand.
And as they go, so we don see say Kogi government they don shira, they don para for federal government. They talk say they go sue them. This matter, who go separate them?
I wan see the ending.
Na wetin.
And na here we go carry the ending come.
We dey bring am everything as we go bring am.
So as they go. We go
this one na between Kogi state government and the federal
and the PTF and NCDC.
Everybody, Kogi don yari say no, say this thing say then they take and make money. You know, you know.
I believe say when they go want talk the matter, then go bring their proof because you no go just talk this kind of thing.
No, na everybody we want to go bring them.
And we go carry and come here, Mona Siam, as they talk am.
Make it for no loss, make we come enter the nation. The nation self you come, we carry in kaya come, maybe we come mark in own register. The nation. For today, then don't talk, say 556.2 million. Na im be the NIN where they don't link to SIMs. Now the deadline don't come be April 6. Na im be the deadline. Bandits don't do many things. The Pefu boys, they don't wreak havoc inside them Niger State. And them speaker, governors, IBB, them minister, them they don't mourn Oga Momo wey be say he pass away. He pef. President don't order IG Adamu to hand over. Okay, this finally. One we go see am for page 28.
Then on top the nation, we see another story where they say $36.4 billion foreign reserve. Now in they keep our naira stable. Thank God for that one. Then, hey, you now go see the picture there where one man carry plenty polo. You go to say they sell polo. They say the man a passenger where we say they catch him with 7 billion naira worth of cocaine for Lagos Airport. Now page 28, you go understand. When he make Oga carry 7 billion naira worth of cocaine, put inside polo, arrange them, they won't go.
That one be say if person they even buy clothes, maybe they very
careful.
The other day, na inside Maggi, inside the seasoning. Na in the wrapper.
Wetin my people no go do?
Oh, still, the nation may we come up for that one. The nation they still talk say, for down there we see say anxiety people their mind no rest. On top say the elders wey they kill, then still dey inside Oyo and the Kwara State. So this matter is still there. Then NSCDC. They don't carry 150 operatives. They don't carry them go that those areas where we say katakata they boss for there. And police traditional rulers they don't they join hand, they work together for Ilorin, make all these things make it for come down.
On top Koro situation for the nation, they say 80% of the cases say then they Lagos, FCT, Plateau and Kaduna. Then they still talk this one where Kogi government they don't shira against the high risk where PTF tag their state say na high risk state. Then PTF self they come sit us say this vaccine say e no go kill African people as people they claim say e go kill African people. PTF say na lie, say e no be like so. Then Emirates they don't talk their own no, say na wetin make them restrict Nigerians be this to the enter pass their country, they come their country, say na the thing wey make them restrict them 9 be this. That one now you go see am for page 4 and 5. Now you go flex all this COVID corona.
Make it for no loss, sharp. May we can run enter the Daily Trust. Daily Trust. May we see what's in Daily Trust self. E get to the yarn as e dey go. Daily Trust. The matter where we say he carry placard for the Daily Trust there. We see say So far he don't tell Buhari, he don't tell our president. He say may you act now, may you do action now before we lose Nigeria. All this katakata wey be say it dey happen, he don't do, may you take action. Then inside them Ogun State, then say one person killed, as e be say who do long them. Then don't go burn elder settlements. The place where be say some headers did, some Fulani headmen, they don't go burn that place. And the Northern Elder Forum, they don't beg them people say make them no fight o. If to stay stout, you no really pay them. Make them be they come out, make wahala for no day. And then many NS, they don't talk say this Sunday Igboho the way they go about in activism, if it lead to tribal palava, if it lead to tribal war.
NESG don talk say Nigeria economy say e go grow by 2.9%. Now then talk that one on top all the survey and statistics wey dem do. Then they say Ikpefu boys they don kidnap father of Abuja Council, their oga, the oga papa, so say Ikpefu boys they don kidnap am. Then federal government and the varsity workers their meeting, e don dey deadlocked.
For the update we go see say for Kano, the resident people wey dey live for there, they don dey protest o, they don yari say no, they no dey gree. All these things wey be say e dey happen for dem Eid ground, wey be say na prayer ground, say they no dey gree. And for 2023, INEC, e don dey carry leg, e don dey carry steps, say dem go create plenty polling units. And the gbege wey happen for Niger attack sef, Daily Trust shook mouth. Now so we take see am on top then Daily Trust sef, e don try well. Maybe come see wetin Vanguard sef, wetin bring come to class. Vanguard, oya come mark register now as e dey go.
The main story for Vanguard there now on top this same eviction no. Northern Elder Forums, they don't tell Buhari and the government, they say make them protect Fulani dem wey dey for south. Now so they talk o. They say no politician get right to outsource security to local thugs and gangs. They say act now before the situation go come turn to another thing. Now who they talk that one? Now Bashiru Tofa na they tell with President Muhammadu Buhari. They come still talk on top how Ondo, Oyo and other people they fit manage the headers crisis. Now Benue Deputy Governor na tell them that one. Then bandits, they don't still enter Niger community or still on top that matter. Say they kill 21 people, they still kidnap 40 people.
For up there, we go see say Oga Afe, he don't talk o. He say private institution them. E no be for only money making venture o. So as people they talk and say private institution no be say na only for to dey make money, na then dey after. And then this one come talk say they don dey count down to the recession wey be say we dey, make we for comot inside am. They come dey look for the challenges and the prospects wey be say every way involve, how we go take come out of it. And who talk this one? IBB o, Oshiomhole o, Obaseki, Lawan, Uzodinma, and plenty other ogbonge people. They don't talk say we don't lose wey be say one person wey bright among us. This one na Oga Tony Momo wey be say he change address the other day.
Abia government they don't talk o, say headsmen they kidnap o, they destroy farm for inside Abia state. Then still you go see when they say 150 billion naira and not 400 billion naira. Now they need for the Koro vaccine. Now Peter Obi na dey talk that one. Say in fact, say even go help them to take do negotiation and pricing on top the supply of the Koro vaccine for Nigeria. Then they say federal government don't begin to they sell Diezani Dioerio. Even this Bades house self, say other forfeited assets, say they don't begin, they sell them.
Now the reason why we say you supposed to they listen to Tatafo na this time na time where we say you go collect your money where you put am, yes, begin this one na auction. Yeah, this one na auction. You go buy jewelry, you go buy house. Maybe come waka enter go business day. Vanguard, you don't try, you do well. Business days. As e dey go, may we see wetin business day sef bring to class.
The main story for business day be say say the Naija growing Igbese say they fail to lift the citizen them. Oh God. They say cost don't push domestic airlines them go small fuel efficient aircraft. Say domestic airlines say they don't begin they use small fuel efficient aircraft. Oh, wow.
You know, say when you
everywhere.
You know, say you just be like when they use big drain. You know, say you go they collect big.
Go make you go buy a better pass my neighbor.
You go buy small one, make it for the do economy. Make it for the do economy. But that one will catch my attention for there be say the growing gbese, wey be say Nigeria they accumulate. Now you know let citizen they come up. It just made me remember Bible verse. We know fit dey inside sin. Make we talk say make grace. We dey incur gbese. How we want take
gbese?
Gbese
on top of gbese.
Abeg make our government dem make dem help us o, make dem help us torchlight this matter. Abeg everybody we wan go kajad
lift off o, gbe body.
Yes, so and then na the season of opportunity na be this. That's why we dey talk say make una dey lis ten to Tatafo. See now opportunity don come. Don't carry your kaya, carry your money, go buy house. Auction price. Jewelry.
You know, so my people know they use auction price. They are trust them, they no go door for this one.
I know say this thing safe, Yeah, if to say na obodo oyinbo, you go be like wetin dem go I go call am. I don't know this oyinbo. You buy something of a popular person. You know, say they treasure am.
Yes, now.
This one say if you even can't get small jar on top, a popular person get this one. Where I buy am, you go still they keep am. Another time when you walk on sell am again, the money go.
Yes, now.
Oh, business. Business. That's so we take see am on top that one. May we come waka enter the sports world though. May we see wetin dey sup inside sports world. Sporting life. Oh yeah, show face. Sharp. Come mark your own register.
On top sporting life, auntie Debbie.
Plenty things.
The matter full ground. Person no even know where.
They don't talk say Ndidi. You don dey train again for Sunday. You don dey train, and we see say more extraordinary clauses for this Messi contract. Hey, big money. Be like say big clauses. You don dey inside, and then Neymar sef, he don agree for another 4 years extension for PSG. Try.
Okay, this one they see say Tuchel say he go get new Chelsea contract, but condition dey. If una wan know wetin be the condition, make una go Sporting Life, go flex am. Then Lingard don ready to show face for Hamas, so na so they talk am on top Sporting Life. Then they say the Tigres say dem go face USA and France again. Even
Oga Guardiola, you don talk say hey, to dey win, e dey sweet, e dey very addictive. If you don't dey win like this, you just want to dey win. And then this Joshua and them Tyson. Joshua don't win Tyson. Say, he don't won now. How you say won now? Go carry your Sporting Life, make you for see am. And then Real Madrid, the Presido Perez, they say he don't test positive for this koro matter. He go dey well soon. Sporting Sun, oh yeah, bring your kaya for here. May we see your load. We see wetin you carry. As e dey go, Sporting Life, Sporting Sun. This one na Bukayo Saka. Na him dey confess this one. He say, hey, that time wey be say I snub Nigeria, I disappoint my papa. Say the thing he disappoint him papa. Na him dey talk that one. And Joshua, he don tell Tyson Fury. He say you go see hell. They still did this word, but Tyson don't talk so you go see hell. Hey,
Wolves, they don't wire Arsenal on top. Say, and 9 men, then they play that match. Say they don't wire them down. Then Red Devils, then we be Man U, they don't wire Southampton. Then give them 4-0.
Na 4-0. Now so we take CMO. Name myself. You don't pen. You don't put down 4-year PSG. And then the Tigers self. You don't draw USA, France for Japan.
Murphy now they talk this one. Say if not be one kind thing, say it go make sense to play for Super Eagles. So before Uncle Arsenal self, they don't join Chelsea and City, they fight for Hakim. Then Real Madrid president say parents, they say don't test positive for corona.
And City, you don't reject Liverpool. How are you going to reject Liverpool approach? City, now you reject that one. So
this one on top Messi, Lionel Messi. I like this guy, eh? Ew. Say he don't already like this to breaking all-time record for Barca.
You see this Red Devil, so no wonder them put on say Red Devil then destroy Saints. Now 9-0 then wire them. 9-0. Now 9-0 then wired sometimes. So now so waiting the sup inside them this world of sports. Now you don't hear so if not one read the whole Totori news. Make una get the papers. We don't do our part, and I don't even see the plenty opportunity. Hey, Auntie Susu, which one you go buy?
I never know. I never decide. Make I talk to my account officer.
Oh, people will get money like this. We will go just manage, just buy small house and then small jewelry. So this northern issue where we say they say me the children come back house now small
go now.
You know say our Senate no go one grief for that one self. It go be like say you dey pursue one Nigerian
but
come up from one
say one Nigeria. Make I see this matter now. It be like this adage when they talk say if you don't put hand for oil, if you carry yam they touch oil, it go stay in your hand.
And the thing.
Good. People dey but na those bad eggs
small
na dem go dey spoil things for the good ones, you understand? So the way it be now, because of the way people dey react,
just take am jejely and wanyoli because oga to offer self e don dey shira for oga president.
Say the thing go turn to another thing if dem no use better eye look am.
I dey read that news him talk say if the north people sef dem don begin dey wele south people wey dey dem place,
e go turn something.
Because to stop their own people sef go come even hard.
Yes,
and
now.
NANS, they don't want Oga Sunday Igboho. But Oga Sunday Igboho just they go in own, you understand? But now they say the strategy where we say they use, you know, to jail if it cause kata. Anyway, as it be, make our federal government, make them shook mouth. As it be say they don't get a new service. Everybody. Now with care. Nobody only pass.
Person picking where they had intended for my side, picking where they do you well, and picking where no they do you well, where they bring problem for you, you go handle and like egg. This matter will be say they need to do small.
When mama dey born see children, all of them not be the same. Even if na two you born, all of them they no fit be the same.
The way I see this matter, they need to handle and like egg, make it not turn another.
So federal government na the mama, you don't born plenty children, can't handle them. Care as it say.
Go know the one where this one need do am, the one where this one need do am. And I so say we go come out for inside all this one.
Make una not forget say koro is still there outside. Make una dey take care, make una dey do na mask, then social distancing.
Now you help me talk this one today.
I remind them because soon we don't dey come out for a year. So Auntie Susu, anything wey you want yarn our people.
If una know say those ones wey be say dem get money, make dem take advantage of all this
opportunity.
And I wan tell una say make una dey stay locked on Tatafo because na here we go dey samar am left, right, center, middle, up, down, in between. Una know how it dey go in total. You understand?
Even from inside.
Into the.
When I don't share that I still remain anti-rebel of the Rere Ministry. We see una, we sight una, we hear una. Mokona dey recharged.
And reloaded.
And reloaded.
And relevant.
Mona for stay relevant. We greet now. Bye.
Father.
If you wanna get some fun, I said if you wanna get some fun, to your TV, to Naija TV. You know what it is? It's your boy LC. I can't see anything here, but the only thing I can see right now is Naija TV. So don't even think of touching. Don't touch that at all. Naija TV. Boko.